Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be showing how to use the Active Park Assist 2.0 that's available in Explore and Escape models so far. And our spot is going to be right here. We're going to try to go into this spot right there. We're going to see if the Explorer can do it. Alright, so hopping inside the Explorer, we're in a ST model. Alright, so first I'm going to position myself over there, so just going to turn around this way. Okay, so first what you do is you click this button, then it'll pop up on the screen. It'll default to parallel park. You'll press it again, and there's perpendicular park. So it looks like it already found a spot, but we're not going to go to that one. So I'm just going to move forward a little bit and see if it can pick up this spot right here. Okay, it looks like it found a spot. Space found, now it says stop. So what you do is you take your hands off the steering wheel here, put it in neutral. Now you can let go of the brake. I don't have my foot on the brake and I don't have my hands on the steering wheel. All you have to do is just hold this button here and it'll do the gas, brake, and gear shifter all by itself. So as you can see, it's turning the steering wheel. And you just hold this and it'll keep going. If you let go, it'll stop. So if you feel like it's going to run into something, you can just let go. You can see it, put it in drive now. And now it's going over this way. And I'm just holding the button, not doing anything. All right, and it's finished. So now we are in the spot next to the edge that we wanted to park in. So let's go check outside and see how good of a job it did. And that's really cool. It says ST when you open the door. As you can see, it did a perfect job. Perfectly on the line, perfectly next to the edge. Perfect. All right, next we're going to do parallel parking. So I'll show you guys how that works. So I'll just try to find a good spot here. Okay, we'll try this spot right here. We'll perpendicular park between this big bus and this U-Haul right here. Or parallel park, sorry. So I'm just gonna turn around real quick. All right, so for parallel park, you just press it. And as you can see, it popped up first and it's already scanning on the right side. If you wanted to parallel park on the left side, all you need to do is just turn on the left turn signal. Okay, so we're gonna pull up and see if it can find this spot right here. Okay, so it found the spot. Same procedure, put it in neutral, let go of the brake, and hold the P button. As you can see, it's doing the gear shifter by itself, turning the steering wheel by itself, and it's gonna get us in this spot here. So as you can see, it's backing up towards the bus. Okay, so got pretty close to the bus. Now we're going forward here. Okay, finished. So now let's take a look at what kind of job it did. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty small distance in the front, and we have a big distance in the back, but Then again, this isn't the most ideal parallel parking spot, but as you can see, it did a really good job. So like if that was the street, it'd be lined up perfectly. So yeah, pretty impressed with this. So now next I'm gonna be showing you guys the pull out assist. It has a pull out assist, so we're gonna see how that works. So we press that, and it already popped it up. So we're gonna do our left turn signal, put in neutral again. There we go. And it says release brake and hold the park button. So that's what we're gonna do. And now it's back in the side of the spot. So as you can see, it's turning the wheel. And now it's getting ready to pull us out. Okay, and now it says that it got it, so now you can just put in drive and then take over control. As you can see, it works pretty good. The parallel, the perpendicular, and the pull-out assist all work pretty good. Hope you guys found that informative. Now you know how to use it. It walks you through it, but I just wanted to show it in action. So if you guys like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be doing more Ford videos.